Hello, body fangs, walk to the bush. Guys, we all have that one chommy or that group of chommies or vriendinne that's always there for you. Doesn't matter what the situation is, okay? For instance, you're going out to go kuier at the local bar there and all of a sudden a bar fight breaks out. One of your chommies will always stand behind you, ready to knock someone amongst the bloody teeth there with 'n elmboog there until a bleed becomes. Jou vriendin sal haar girl by haar pony stert gryp en haar rondruk like a pit bull eating a stukkie biltong. Yeah. This chommy will always make sure there's a choppie op die kolle, 'n koue bier in die yskas. Jou vriendin sal altyd 'n spare lipstick in haar handsak hê om jou lippies mooi rooi te maak. They always seem happy like nothing's wrong. But in the meantime, deep down inside, they are actually breaking. They're hiding it from the world. Breaking like a crystal glass falling on tiles. They need your help. Mental health is a reality. It's a big issue and people are hiding it. Time to ask your friends if they're okay. Just be there for them. There's always someone that listens. Dit help veel jy sluk jou trane in want jy versuip jou hart. Ask a friend if they're okay. You might just save a life.